in today's video, we're going to go over the options trades I made this week, the ones I cashed out on, and we're going to follow along the portfolio update as we had a massive day for Tesla, up 10%. Elon selling out of the shorts. Let's take a look at the numbers. Hey, welcome back to another video. This time we're going to go over our options trades we made this week. We're going to talk about my thought process behind them all, give a little congratulations to Tesla, again, skyrocketing off of the news. You see those Tesla shorts? 69,420. Elon, master troll. I love him for that. Right now, the stock portfolio is at 494,000 due to Tesla going up 10% today. So we had about a $40,000 gain today. In the last video, you saw that I closed out those other call options for a few $1,000 profit. Now we have the NKLA put options that I talked about last time, and they're up substantially. So I bought them for $776, 3 contracts with a strike price of 49. The stock is right now at 48.50 and it's close to the close. I plan on closing these out near the close because I think there's a little bit more to go. And I'll close out these contracts for around a $1,200 profit, maybe more, maybe less, but around there. That's in US dollars. Here's a new trade I put on with BLNK. BLNK is a charging company. They've been around for over 10 years, and what they essentially do, their product is they charge electric vehicles. They set up these chargers. They have their own adapter that allows them to charge any electric vehicle, no matter the brand. Because you know, like Ford, Porsche, they all have their own unique charging ports. This company, BLNK, they have their own that you can put out as an attachment, and it can charge, these stations can charge any of the vehicles, no matter the brand. So their stock is popping off like crazy. It's up 40% today, and I put on the call option when it was up around 30% on the day. Also rallied yesterday. I do think there's more room to go. This is all around the EV hype because Tesla obviously absolutely crushed it recently. So everyone's starting to truly believe that EVs are the future, and we're seeing all these other companies pop off. That was my purpose behind putting on this trade. For BLNK, the strike price here is $7.50, and the expiry is July 17th. The stock is currently at $7.60 right now, so it did spike a lot. It's now up 44% on the day. If I was to close this out right now, it would be up substantially. I am going to hold it for the next few days. I do believe there's more room to run there. However, NKLA, we will be closing this out. All right, the market is about to close, so we're going to close out these options right here. We're getting it for 1900 US when we bought it for 700 US. So again, this is about a $1,200 profit. And there we have it. Order has been processed. After commissions, 1907 US. If we take a look at the cash update, we see we're at 9,500 in cash. Just about 2 weeks ago, I was at 2,500 in cash. So those gains are purely from options trades. Went from 2,500 to 9,500. That's about $7,000 in gains in the last 2 weeks with options trading. Again, in the past, I've lost thousands of dollars, but I will say I am net positive out of all of my options trades by multiple thousands. What I'm looking at next is I'm still focused on the EV companies. I'm seeing a lot of volatility there, so I may play with some more options trades. NKLA probably has more room to go down for sure, but I wanted to take my profits there because the expiry is coming up. There would have to run a lot more down. I just want to give you this update of the trades I made, the profits I made, and anytime I make losses, I'm going to share them here. So we're about to cross 500,000 in the public account. Big milestone there. I hope you're having a great day. Let me know what options trades you've been putting on, or what stocks that you're thinking about buying in the near future. And subscribe for more financial education videos just like this one so you can see exactly everything I'm doing to build my wealth.